Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add your Cash App card to PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and be needing our Cash App application to be able to add it to PayPal. So what we're going to do, if you do not already have it installed, you're going to go to the App Store. Go ahead and open up the App Store right here. This is going to look like this on your mobile phone. Open up the search bar and get started searching for Cash App. Search for the Cash App application, find it, install it, and once you have successfully installed it, you'll be able to open it up and it's going to look like this. So you can log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever you prefer. And once you have the login, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can take a look at your balance, you can take a look at your savings options and all the other settings you have. And now we can get started. So basically guys, what we're going to do is find the Cash App card that we want to add to PayPal, and we are going to go and be able to do that by looking right here at the bottom of the page. As you can see, we have multiple sections we can access. In the middle, this is their dollar sign, and to the left to the dollar sign we have the card section. This is what we want to open up. Open up that cards icon right there next to the dollar sign, and it's going to look like this. So this is going to go ahead and be your card section where we can take a look at all the cards we are using on Cash App. So as you can see here, I have my Visa card. Once I open it up guys and long press it, I'm going to go ahead and be given all the settings right here. We can take a look. I can activate the cash card, I can add it to Apple Pay, and so on. And this is the card I'm going to be using for PayPal. So basically guys, here you can find all the info regarding your card, such as your card number and so on, and even the code that you need to use. If you have added it to Cash App, now we can go ahead and successfully add it to PayPal. So go ahead and open up PayPal. After this, go ahead and open up PayPal and click the add new card option, and then you can just add the card you have been using right here. Type out all the same details and information that you're using for Cash App, and you'll be able to add the same card to PayPal and use it from there as well. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.